Hello guys, welcome back with me at this video. I hope you all stay safe, healthy, and I wish this pandemic was quickly over. Well, maybe some of you don't know me, so let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Saiful Zulfadiaksa. You can call me anything, but my friend usually call me Saiful. I was born in Semarang, 31 July 2001, and now when video was made, I'm 19 years old. I live in Alang Raya Street, number 16. I'm graduate from two senior high school, Semarang, and now I am first semester student of Sukhya Pranata Catholic, majoring in civil engineering. By the way, my hobby is sport. Especially I like so much playing futsal. I was interested in building structures since I was child, and I want to make it happen. I have dreamed to make a design the tallest building in our country. It's awesome to know that you are was one who designed skyscraper ever built in your country. It is was gratifying feeling if I can do that. By the way, before I deliver the topic, I will explain what is civil engineering. According to Wikipedia, civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including public work such as road, bridge, canal, dam, airports, sewerage system, pipelines, structural component of building and railways. Civil engineering graduate work as a project contractor, project supervisor, or can also work in companies. Construction companies in Indonesia including Adikarya, Waskita Karya, and many others. Alright, at this moment I will share my topic about precast concrete. My presentation will take about 10 until 15 minutes, and it will be divided by four major points. First, I'm going to start by explaining the definition of precast concrete. Second, I'm going to tell you types of precast concrete. After that, I'm going to discuss the advantage and disadvantage of it. The last, there will be time for questions after my presentation, or maybe you can ask me via social media. Don't worry, taking notes, I will send you the soft copy. Did you know the concrete has been used since centuries ago and is still a favorite to be used as a construction material or element? Global concrete consumption is double that of wood, plastic, aluminum, and steel collectively. In fact, the United States concrete production industry generates $30 billion per year and even increase every year. Concrete has good strength and durability, but the price is still quite affordable, so it becomes one of the important elements in the development. In addition, concrete has construction needs such as building construction, as a building structures, road construction, bridges, and so on. The process of making concrete is growing over time, and technology in the field of construction. Initially, concrete can only be made and cast directly on the spot or conventional concrete. Until then comes precast concrete. In this discussion, we will review more about precast concrete. What is precast concrete? On Wikipedia, according to Wikipedia, precast concrete is a construction product produced by casting concrete in a reusable mold or form which is the core in a controlled environment, transport to the construction site, and live into a place. Nah, in my opinion, precast concrete is concrete that has been printed and made in advance in a factory or a special place spread from a construction site. The concrete is made based on certain mold and size that have adjusted to the needs in the field. Not only that, this concrete is maintained and well maintained according with applicable standard until it reaches the maintenance age. Nah, the maintenance process aims to maintain the moisture content in concrete so that the quality is maintained and the quality is guaranteed well. This process is carried out in various ways, ranging from watering concrete surface, wrapping with wet sack, steam carrying, and handling. Once the concrete has reached the maintenance age and is ready for use, it is then sent to the construction site for installation. Types of precast concrete. Types of precast concrete. Number one is concrete panel fence. Number one. The first type of precast concrete is the panel fence, which is a concrete element that can be used as a guardrail. Precast concrete with this type of concrete panel fence can be installed in a large location such as factories and office, as well as smaller locations such as private house. Number two is UD concrete canal. UD, UDIC is a canal usually used for waterways or irrigation canals. Its main function is a waterways that is able to carry or drain water and can infuse some rainwater into the ground. Nah, number three is box culvert precast. The function of box culvert is the same as a UDIC, which is a drainage canal. The difference is the box culvert precast box is box shaped, has a spigot and shock, so it cannot absorb rainwater into the ground. This is due to the characteristic of this material, which is impermeable to the influx of rainwater or extraction. The advantage of box cover precast is being able to with, with, withstand ground shift. It, its use is not only as a storage in front of building, but can also be used as a underpass, tunnels, subways, bridges, sewers, and much more. Number four is paving block. This product is used as a soil cover, similar to the use of paving blocks from other materials. The advantage of precast concrete paving is that it is more durable because has a higher load hold rate. Number five. Number five is road barrier concrete. Road barrier concrete is a road barrier made of concrete composite elements. Generally, road barrier consists of several types, including road barrier made of plastic, steel, and concrete. For plastic and steel, road barrier are usually devoted to the temporary construction, while concrete road barrier are road blocks designed for permanent construction. Advantage of precast concrete. There are 6 advantages of precast concrete, including number one is precast concrete has a good quality because the manufacturing process is done by good and correct methods, and the maintenance is also very considered in accordance with applicable regulation. Number two is precast concrete has a high level of resistance to drastic weather change. This, this concrete can be very reliable if the conditions at the site of project are uncertain, and in addition, the installation of precast concrete is also not affected by the weather. Number three is precast concrete can cut project implementation time significantly. This is because the use of concrete allows the project work to be done overlappingly. For example, when the work of the structure is still in the foundation stage, then the implementation can be simultaneously with the manufacture of precast concrete for floor column. This ways, when the bottom structure job is complete, the column is ready to be paired. Number 4 is concrete precast is also able to save the use of formwork so much less. Just imagine in conventional concrete making, formwork can only be used a maximum of 10 times. However, in a manufacturing of precast concrete, the formwork can be used continuously up to 50 times. Proper care contributes the greatest part of why the formwork has a long durability. Number 5, on precast concrete is able to cut the budget plan, or in Indonesia is RAB project, especially the cost that needs to be spent on the procurement of labor. Number 6, precast concrete is environmentally friendly. The use of this concrete as a substitute for conventional concrete will reduce the amount of waste and dirt on the project site, which is the remains of concrete forming material and formwork. Uh, Next is disadvantage of precast concrete. Precast concrete also has a disadvantage, including number 1 is precast concrete requires an additional cost to transport this concrete from the manufacturing plant to the place of project implementation. Number 2, precast concrete requires complete heavy equipment for installation. Conventional tools alone cannot be used to install components of the structure perfectly. Number 3 is precast concrete should be placed in a good place and properly maintained until the installation time. So the project site must have enough space to store this concrete. Number 4, precast concrete also often takes a considerable unexpected cost. For example, when the installation of precast concrete elements, additional costs are needed for the purpose of connecting, concluding and giving some recommendation. From the description of the advantage and the disadvantage, precast concrete usually has a better quality and has a practical value. However, I do not recommend you if building a small scale using precast concrete because in addition to making inefficient but also has a more expensive price than conventional concrete. That's all for my presentation. If you forget about my topic, you can reply my video on my YouTube channel, or maybe you can ask me on my social media, or maybe you can ask me on English class. Thank you.